The Symphony of Collaboration, how product managers connect cross-functional teams. Welcome, fellow enthusiasts, to another harmonious episode of Product Management Symphony. Today, we're diving deep into the captivating world of collaboration, coordination, and communication between cross-functional teams. Join us as we unravel the secrets of how product managers conduct this beautiful symphony, fostering unity and delivering exceptional products. Get ready to witness the power of teamwork in action. So, imagine a product manager waving their baton, standing before a diverse ensemble of cross-functional teams. They conduct their symphony of collaboration, coordinating efforts, and ensuring every instrument plays its harmony. In this video, we'll explore how product managers orchestrate the magic of collaboration to create remarkable products that resonate with the users. So let's first define cross-functional collaboration. So demystifying cross-functional collaboration, the intricate dance of different teams working together towards a common goal. Product managers become the choreographers, ensuring every team member knows their part, communicates effectively, and contributes their unique expertise. It's a waltz of coordination and cooperation that leads to breathtaking results. Product managers are like maestros, fostering a culture of collaboration that encourages open communication, trust, and respect. They create an environment where diverse perspectives are valued, ideas are freely shared, and teams work seamlessly across disciplines. It's like a musical ensemble where every player's contribution is essential to creating a harmonious masterpiece. Effective communication is the conductor's baton that keeps the symphony in sync. Product managers excel at conveying their vision, setting clear expectations, and ensuring everyone is on the same page. They establish communication channels that facilitate information flow, encourage active listening, and foster meaningful dialogue. It's the rhythm that keeps the collaboration alive and vibrant. Product managers take a role of coordinators, ensuring that each team member knows their part and how it contributes to the bigger picture. They align efforts, break down silos, and facilitate cross-functional collaboration by fostering a shared understanding of goals, dependencies, and timelines. It's like a well-rehearsed ensemble where everyone plays their part flawlessly. Product managers become bridge builders, connecting different teams and departments. They act as liaisons, facilitating cross-team communication and bridging any gaps that may hinder collaboration. By establishing strong relationships, they ensure smooth information exchange, effective problem solving, and the shared ownership of product success. Just like any symphony, conflicts may arise within the cross-functional teams. Product managers step in as skilled mediators, finding common ground and resolving conflicts amicably. They facilitate discussions, encourage empathy, and guide teams towards solutions that benefit both the product and the individuals involved. It's the art of transforming discord into harmony. Agile methodologies are the sheet music that guides cross-functional teams. Product managers champion agile practices like Scrum or Kanban, enabling iterative development, continuous feedback, and flexibility. They facilitate sprint planning, daily stand-ups, and retrospectives, ensuring that the team remains in sync and adaptable in the face of changing requirements. Product managers understand the importance of measuring collaboration's impact. They utilize key performance indicators like team satisfaction, project milestones, and successful product launches to gauge the effectiveness of collaboration efforts. By continuously monitoring and refining their approach, they elevate the collaboration symphony to new heights. And there you have it, the symphony of collaboration conducted by product managers. They bring together cross-functional teams, fostering a culture of unity, effective communication, and shared success. So, whether you are a product manager or part of a cross-functional team, embrace the power of collaboration and witness the magic it brings to product development. Thank you for joining me on this harmonious journey through the world of cross-functional collaboration. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more insightful discussions and symphonies of product management. Until next time, keep collaborating, communicating, and creating remarkable products that resonate with the users.